I want to take a minute and dive into more detail about a concept that we teach our students here at ALGO, and that's this. Your best savings account is your Amazon inventory. Welcome, welcome, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. This is Tim with ALGO Online Retail. I want to take a minute and dive into more detail about a concept that we teach our students here at ALGO, and that's this. Your best savings account is your Amazon inventory. So let me dive into that in more detail. So at ALGO, we teach people that the best bank account out there is to buy products and sell them on Amazon, and we've been teaching people how to do that for years. All right, so here's what I mean by this. A savings account right now at a bank pays you what interest? 0.1%, 0.2% if you're lucky. Will that help you reach your financial goals? Will that help you reach your retirement goals? Probably not, right? If you get a CD and you don't touch the money for a year, you might get 0.5 or 1% interest, right? Just horrible. These are horrible rates and they have been for a long time. Let's do the math. If you put $10,000 in a savings account at a bank, you come back 12 months later, a year goes by, and you now have $10,010. You made $10 interest in a year. That's pathetic, right? Okay, by the way, inflation. What's happening with inflation? So here's your money. Here's inflation. Your money is creeping up at 0.1%, and inflation is going 2 to 3% a year. Your money is actually losing value as it sits there in a bank account. So Warren Buffett, he's a very successful investor, obviously. Warren Buffett has said the worst place you can put your money is a bank savings account. So here's what we've done at ALGO. We've taken a time-tested, proven business model. We've incorporated what Warren Buffett has taught, and here's what we do. We want to teach you how to make your money work for you. So here's our time-tested, proven business model. Buy low, sell high, sell name brand products. So here's what you do. You find an authorized supplier of name brand products. You buy at a low price from them. You put that product on Amazon's platform. You sell at a high price. The key is selling name brand products like Disney and Keurig and Mattel and Marvel and Star Wars and Legos. One of my first products that I ever sold on Amazon was 5-star notebooks. So let me give you an example. Let's say you take a pallet of 5-star notebooks. You buy a pallet of 5-star notebooks. You ship it to Amazon. You follow our business model. You buy low, you sell high. You use Amazon's infrastructure. You don't touch the product. You sell it on Amazon and you make a 15% return. So a year goes by, you sell the pallet, 15%. That's a whole lot better than your 0.1%. That's actually 150 times better than your 0.1%. But here's what we're going to do at ALGO. We're going to teach you how to do the research so that you can find the right product to sell and you'll know how fast it's going to sell. Do you think it's going to take you 12 months to sell a pallet of your items you buy? What if you could sell out that pallet every 6 months and you make 15% each time? That's 30% for the year. What if you could do it every 3 months? That's 4 times, that's 60% per year. Now, would a return of 15 or 30 or 60% per year help you reach your financial goals? Now we're talking, right? Now we're talking about something that can actually drive your success and help you reach your retirement goals, your financial goals, your time goals, whatever it is you're looking to do. So if you would like to learn how to do this, I want to teach you how to do this, how to set up this time-tested, proven business model. I have a workshop I'm going to be doing. There's a link right down there. Click on that link, get registered, reserve your spot. I'm going to go through this 90 minutes. I will be live. I'm going to spend the first 60 minutes going through step by step exactly how to set up this time-tested, proven business model, how to start it, how to scale it, how to grow it, how to repeat that process and sell products on Amazon. This should be your bank account. So if you're tired of earning 0.1% interest and you want to learn how to do this a better way, I'd love to teach you how. So click on that link, get registered. I'll see you soon.